What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. Today what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to install some rear fender liners on my 2023 F-150. Unfortunately, from factory, these trucks do not come with rear fender liners, which blows my mind because you spend over $70,000 on a truck and it doesn't even come with something like that. I know it's something small to pick at, but with me that I go to the beach a lot, I do want to address that because I do have a lot of exposed metal in the back. So rear fender liners is real important to me. My 2018 GMC Sierra had it. So it's just another, I guess, form of protection for the rear is the way I see it. So it's unfortunate that Ford didn't put it. They do allow you to use your Ford pass points, so you can buy some fender liners from Ford, but we'll get into specific details why I didn't choose that route. So with that being said, let's get straight to it. All right, so what I have here, guys, is the Husky fender liners from American Trucks. I did purchase these over the OEM, even though the OEM Ford liners I could have got with my Ford pass points. The one main reason why I didn't go with the Ford OEM liners was because they only cover up to this lip here. Yes, it covers this whole area upper, but it stops right at this point here. I know it's hard to tell with the truck being black and stuff. So it only covers up to right where my hand is at. It still leaves the frame exposed. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I do go to the beach a lot. And as you guys can see, this frame has a lot of holes and nooks and crannies and all that stuff. So I wanted a liner that would go past this to protect all that area as well. And thankfully, Husky Rough Country has a similar setup. Their liners go all the way down here to protect everything. Like, you won't even see the frame once the liners are put on. So that's the reason why I decided to go with Husky over the OEM Ford liners. Again, the Ford liners only protect them. This up back there. So here you guys have it. As you guys can see, all this extra coverage here is what I was looking for. The pair does come together. All you gotta do is snip these zip ties. There's number one, there's number two. These are labeled. This does say DS on the top, which is driver's side. And then this one here does have the hardware attached to it, but it does say PS for passenger side. So the first thing we got to do, guys, is remove this 10mm bolt from the inner fender. And keep that. You're gonna need to reinstall that. After we do that, we do gotta install some J-clips, which are gonna go into these two holes. J-clip gets installed there. Gets installed there. The next thing is to get the fender liner. Once again, this is labeled DS for driver's side, so you guys wanna make sure you guys do that. I'm gonna put that in that way. And it says the first thing you want to do is bring it up over this lip here. And you should have the holes there. You can see where the J-clips are at. So as you guys can see already that this is gonna cover up nicely back there. Once you have this put up all the way, you're gonna go ahead and reinstall the 10mm that you removed right back in this hole. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snug it now. I'm not gonna tighten it completely because I need to do some adjusting. And then you're gonna get both screws. Looks like I only have one here. Where did the other one go? Okay, maybe I need one more. Yeah. These two will be put onto the back holes where you put the J-clip along with a washer. So we'll get that ready. And then we're gonna look for that J-clip. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. Start that by hand. And this one as well. As you guys can see, it is pretty snug up there. It looks good already. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Let me take this off. You guys can see the extra coverage I'm talking about. It goes way below the frame. You cannot see no frame down there. So once again, first step, remove that 10mm. Keep it because you're gonna have to put it back in. Once that's removed, install the liner. You wanna tuck it in underneath this lip. After that, you're gonna have the two 10mm bolts that they provide along with some washers. You're gonna go ahead and install those. And after that, you will be using these Christmas tree clips. And those are gonna go into the bottom part here. You guys can see that. Those holes there and that hole there. You will need to use this washer, which would be on the back side of it. And the Christmas tree clip goes straight through that hole there. Well, there you guys have it. Husky rear wheel liners installed on my 2023 F-150. I would highly recommend this product. If you guys want it, I'll drop a link in the description box below so you guys can scoop yourself up a pair. To me, the quality is great. It forms to the shocks in the bottom. It's got a nice texture to it, so it looks like it'll be super easy to wash any kind of debris, mud, sand, whatever the case is. It looks like all that will be easy to wash off. So once again, guys, that'll conclude today's video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.